In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload custom fonts to your Wix website. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your brand's typeface into Wix so your headings, paragraphs, and buttons look consistent and on brand. Before we start, make sure you have your font file ready on your computer. Common formats like TTF, OTF, or WAF work well, and you should always have the proper license to use the font on a website. Open your site in the Wix editor and navigate to the page where you want to use the custom typeface. Click directly on any text element you'd like to style. When you select a text box, Wix shows the text toolbar so you can quickly adjust it. Next, click Edit Text. This opens the text settings where you control the font, size, weight, color, and more. It's the main place for managing typography on that selected element. At the top of the text settings, click the current font name. That opens the font list. You'll see all the standard fonts available in Wix, plus a section where your own uploads will appear once you add them. To bring in your custom file, choose Upload Fonts. Wix will prompt you to add a font from your computer. In the upload window, click Upload Fonts again and locate the font file you prepared. Select it and confirm. If your typeface comes as a family with different styles, like regular, bold, italic, and bold italic, it's best to upload each style file so Wix can switch weights properly when you format your text. Keep the files unzipped and in a supported format. If you run into an error, double check that the file isn't corrupted and that you're selecting the actual font file, not a folder. You'll see a quick progress indicator as the font uploads. Once it's done, your new font appears in the list, typically under a section for uploaded fonts. Click the name of your uploaded font and you'll see your selected text update instantly in the editor. From here, you can adjust size, spacing, and weight just like any other font. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. Verify that your font is legible at both large and small sizes, and make sure it includes any special characters or language support you need. If the text looks clipped or too heavy, try an alternate file format of the same font, such as switching between OTF and TTF, or consider a web-optimized version like WAF for better performance. That's it. Click the text, open Edit Text, select the current font, upload your font file, and then choose it from the list. Now, your Wix site can showcase your brand's typography exactly as intended.